It's been detected in hotel quarantine in Brisbane and Sydney, and now confirmation of 3 new cases of the UK strain in Melbourne. Victorian authorities revealing 3 people linked to the Australian Open have the more contagious variant, which evidence now suggests is deadlier.
In addition to spreading more quickly, it also now appears that there is some evidence that the new variant may be associated with a higher degree of mortality.
UK health officials say the original strain is proving fatal for around 10 out of 1,000 infections. The UK variant appears to be killing up to 14 in 1,000, a 40% increase. The data's not yet conclusive, but
there is evidence that there's an increased risk for those who have the new variant compared to the old virus.
It is concerning and yet another important reason why we need to continue to step up as Australians, strengthen all of the measures we're doing and, of course, start to roll out the vaccine soon.
Vaccines still appear effective against the UK strain, but concerns remain over Australia's promised supply. European nations are reporting a delay in the rollout of the Pfizer vaccine, and AstraZeneca is reportedly cutting deliveries by 60% in Europe over production problems. Our government has purchased more than 50 million doses of that vaccine and remains hopeful of a mid-February rollout.
The Prime Minister had said that by the end of March there'd be very considerable rollout of the vaccine. He needs to assure Australians that that is the case.
Despite the slashing of deliveries in Europe, the government says Australia remains in a strong position. In a statement, a spokesman said all doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca shot will be manufactured here in Melbourne. The government remains confident the reduction in the number of international passenger arrivals, along with the requirement for a negative COVID test before people board flights to Australia, will be enough to keep the more dangerous virus strains out. But the Chief Medical Officer says health authorities are concerned about the reports coming from the UK. None of this bodes well for the almost 40,000 Australians still stranded overseas. For Australians here, the system continues to hold, with another day of 0 cases of community transmission. David Lipson, ABC News.